Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. Tips and tricks video today. I'm going to cover something that I haven't yet done. We're going to do the wiper stalk, which you find on the right hand side of the steering column. Lots and lots of functions on this wiper stalk, and I'm going to start from the outside and work my way in. So the first part of the stalk is that section that rotates, and that is for the rear wiper. As you can see, it's marked. That's the off position, intermittent, and on all the time. So we're off at the moment, and the wiper is parked. If we turn it to the intermittent position, the wiper will intermittently wipe the rear screen. If we turn it to the on position, the wiper will go continuously. Now, to clean the rear windscreen, you push the stalk forward. And in typical Japanese fashion, that does not make the wiper blade go. It only fires the water, which I think is the best way to do it. Because a lot of systems, you do that, it takes a little while for the water to get to the nozzle, but the wiper's already wiped the screen 2 or 3 times. Possibility of scratching your glass. So I think Toyota do it the better way. So we're going to go to the back windscreen now. I'm going to operate the stalk. I'll show you. It washes the screen, and then you have to twist the end of the stalk for the wiper blade to wipe the screen. The next part of the stalk is this section here that rotates, and this is all to do with the auto function that you've got on the front wiper blades. It adjusts the sensitivity of the front wiper blades when you've got them in auto and it's raining. The next function on the screen is all these marks here. At the moment I've got the wiper blade set in the off position, so the blades will not move in that position. Even if it starts raining, they won't move. You've then got to do one of 2 things. You can either flick the stalk at once, and you'll get one wipe, bring the stalk down one position. Because it's not raining, the wipers won't go, but that's the position you put your wipers in, and they then automatically come on when the sensor up here senses that there's water or rain on the windscreen, and the wipers then automatically come on which is where this comes into play. You've got 1, 2, 3 sensitivity settings on that. Now if you come down one more click on the wiper, your wipers will swipe once, twice, 3 times, and they will just keep going at that speed and intermittently wipe. Your next setting is continuous wipers. So we'll leave them on continuous. If you then pull the stalk towards you, as you can see, it then puts the front windscreen washers on. If you've got the stalk in the automatic position and fire the wipers, the wipers will go automatically until they sense no more water on the screen. That is pretty much all the wiper stalk does. And that's all the functions on the wiper stalk. Very, very intuitive. Total have made it very, very easy. And now once again, if you've enjoyed the video, please consider clicking the thumbs up button. It helps the channel. And please consider subscribing. It costs you absolutely nothing to subscribe to get the latest updates and videos. Thank you very much for watching North Wales side-by-side video in the GR Sport.